वॉशरूम में जा रही है।
Hello. Today we have the amazingly talented PETA supporter and vegetarian Neha Dukia with us, who's going to unveil India's first ever card. And this is in association with Bob, and we are launching this at Corniche at the waterfront. We are grateful to them. I would request Neha to kindly unveil.
तो छील मत ना, अंदर मत रखो यार। मैडम बाल आ रहा अपना।
Thank you so much. Neha, would you like to say a few words about this initiative?
Well, the only thing that I want to say is that I'm a big supporter of pizza. I'm a big supporter of being vegetarian. Going vegan is something that I've learned over the years of being vegetarian and being a pizza supporter. So it is an exciting thing for me, and I'm very happy that I have the opportunity to share it with everyone who's here. The first and most important thing is that there are tons of health benefits when it comes to being vegan. We see so many problems that are happening around us. Just when we don't know it, we'll be like somebody in our family is detected with diabetes or a heart problem, or God forbid, even something as scary as the C word, which is cancer. But one of the things that you can do for yourself is to avoid all that, and one of the ways that you can avoid that is definitely by going vegan. Vegan is just a healthy way of living. It's being vegetarian, but also not consuming any dairy products, because not only is it saving you, it's also saving the environment, it's also saving the animals around us. It's extremely essential. Now therefore, because I've given you this entire prelude to going vegan, what we have done, all of us at PETA, we've launched this beautiful card, which gives you a 10% discount on all the vegan meals that you eat at select restaurants between in Mumbai and in Bangalore. This wonderful offer starts, it started in November, and it will be lasting another 6 months. By then, hopefully, we would have converted all of you into vegans and vegetarians, and also people who are fond of eating healthy meals at discounted prices. So it is exciting. Some of my most favorite restaurants have this lovely offer. There's one literally in my backyard. It's called Birdsong. So it has this. There's also a bagel shop that has this. There's also pizza, by the way. And many other restaurants, if you think that may not have or may not offer vegan meals, you'll be surprised they are. We have the entire list available right there in front of you in those papers that you have. So I'm excited about this. I'm hoping I take back home a V-card today, for sure. And I'm hoping that everybody else who believes in living healthy, who believes in having a wonderful environment, and who cares for the animals around, will definitely follow everything that we said and make a difference for themselves and the environment. So thank you. We're very excited to launch this, and hopefully we'll be able to spread the awareness and the message.
Thank you so much, Neha. The floor is open for media questions. Anybody?
There will be none because everybody has a camera in their hand.
Anyone? Anyone? Are we good?
Can we have the weekend?
So this is the V card that each one.
So I'm excited. This is my wonderful V-card that I will be getting and taking back a discount and also a healthy lifestyle. And I'm hoping that everybody else follows suit as well.
favorite vegetarian food? Anybody like it?
Well, my favorite vegetarian food, you'll be very surprised, but every time I go back to Delhi and I love ghar ka khana, so I love having greens. So I really enjoy eating vegetables like spinach and as a child also my mom used to be very proud that I would come back home from school and she would always be like, my daughter never troubles me, because I would come back and I would eat even like vegetables like ghia and loki and palak and just about anything vegetarian, even getting dairy products out of my system by going vegan. I just feel like I'm a lot more healthier. I feel more fitter. I don't feel heavy after a meal. Sometimes, everybody says, nahi, hame chai peeni hai. I feel like the best substitute to tea is also green tea, because you don't really need the black tea because it's high on caffeine. You don't need the sugar. And when you add all that, you need the milk. You don't need those products in your body at all. So, yeah, I mean, being vegetarian is absolutely fantastic. You can see the result.
Okay, but आपको खाना ज़्यादा बनाना अच्छा लगता है कि खिलाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है?
जी नहीं, मेरे को खाना ना खिलाना अच्छा लगता है because I don't like sharing food, and ना मुझे बनाना अच्छा लगता है because I'm too lazy to go into the kitchen. But yes, if I have to make a salad or if I have to make something in the oven and I have just to throw it in and then I can be on my phone and I can do other things, I'll definitely do it. But I'm not somebody who spends too much time in the kitchen.
Yeah, last year was going prime time because after 18 Topoli Salami and
Yes, after 21 Topo Ki Salami on the 28th of November, I'd like to remind everybody I'm also a part of a movie called Ungli. So it's coming out and hopefully, you people will enjoy it and go watch it. Firstly, we'll watch it. Secondly, we'll enjoy it. And thirdly, we'll enjoy my performance in it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.